Hey guys, welcome back to Backyard Cooking with Patrick and Bucket, where as things start to open back up in Orlando, we figured some of you guys might be going out on day trips or day hikes more often. I know we will be. And so we wanted to give you a recipe for some snacks that you can bring along on the trail. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to make spring rolls. Thank you guys for watching. I highly recommend that you try this one out. It's definitely easier and safer to plan ahead and prepare for the food you're going to eat than it is to stop at, say, like a gas station or a fast food restaurant. So this is much easier to do, and it's healthier for you in the long run. So I definitely recommend that you try this one out. Make sure you guys check us out on Instagram at UCF Outdoor Adventure and UCF RWC, and we'll see you out in Orlando.